Hi everyone, I'm Isabel Spratling, and I'm going to talk about these statues pictured here. These are some pictures of statues found in Pakistan. If you're thinking they look more Buddhist than Muslim, well, you're on the right track. So, your next question might be, why are there Buddhist statues in Muslim Pakistan? Look at this graph. Only 3% of India is Buddhist. So, why do they have statues? Some are a little decapitated, but still, that's because the Taliban likes to blow and destroy things that they do not agree with. Now, back to why Buddhist statues are in Pakistan. 2,300 years ago, a guy named Ashoka was the Mauryan emperor who was set on conquering lands just like his grandfather before him. He really wanted to annex Kalinga, the kingdom of Kalinga, to his already massive kingdom, and so he started one of the most brutal and bloodiest wars in history. The people of Kalinga fought stubbornly to keep their honor and freedom, but in the end, Ashoka won. After the war, Ashoka felt terrible about what he had done. After that time, or about around that time, when he was feeling bad, he met a Buddhist teacher. He then made Buddhism the state religion and wanted to establish an empire of love, order, and peace. He established hospitals, sent missionaries out to spread Buddhism, and made 14 principles of laws and engraved them on rocks and pillars throughout the empire. They taught people to be truthful, honest, dutiful, nonviolent, and obedient. The first picture is of a pillar, which I talked about in the last slide concerning these 14 principles of law. Fun fact, there are only about 20 remaining pillars spread across India. So the next two pictures are pictures of stupas. It is said that Ashoka built 84,000 stupas and divided them, and at each stupa he put some of Buddha's ashes on it to make it more sacred and holy. These stupas were meant to provide new converts with tools to help them build their faith. Many people were not huge fans of Ashoka's new belief because in Buddhism they believed that people should be kind to animals, and so that stopped a lot of animal sacrifices, hunting and fishing practices that provided food to a lot of people. Nowadays, India does not have a lot of Muslims, and Pakistan doesn't either, but Buddhism has spread throughout all the lands, and that's because of Ashoka. He helped build this faith up. Thanks for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed it.